First, we measure the ground distance from the point where we stood to the railings of the balcony using a Metro measuring tape. We made sure to measure it in a straight line on level ground. Next, we used a clinometer plus bubble level app to measure the angle of elevation. We stood straight at our marked spot, held the phone sideways at eye level, and aimed the top edge of the phone at the top of the balcony railing. The angle shown on the app was 38.6 degrees. Holding the phone sideways helps us get an accurate reading using the same edge. We also measured our eye level height, which was 1.40 meters from the ground. Since the balcony sits on a 0.15 meter curve, we'll subtract that from our final answer later for accuracy. Now finally, to find the height above our eye level, we use the tangent formula. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, opposite is equal to tan theta multiplied by adjacent. Substituting our data, tan 38.6 degrees multiplied by 4 is equals to 3.1932 meters. Then, we added the height of Marine's eyes. Wait, hold up. Before that, we have to subtract the height of the gutter, which is 0.15 meters, to Marine's eye level height, before we subtract it to our tangent theta. Therefore, the total height of the balcony from the ground to the top of the railing is approximately 4.4432 meters.
As you can guys see here, may unggoy sa taas. No joke lang. We're actually measuring the height of the building as you can see here. Shadan! May unggoy pa dyan, no? Wow! Nandito naman, makikita nyo ang paa ni Madane. Nope, actually, the distance of the building kay Madane, which is around 3 meters. And then, dito naman makikita nyo ang angle of elevation, which stood around 25 degrees. Diyan sa bar na yan, sa tinuturo. So, dito sa solution, gagamit tayo ng tan theta, which is opposite adjacent. So, convert muna natin ng tan, which is ang given na angle of elevation kanina is 25 degrees. So, tan 25, convert muna natin yan, which is 0.4663. And then, times 3 natin based sa distance given, which is 3 meters. So, magiging 1.398 meters siya. And then, pa-plus natin ang eye level height ni Madane, which is 1.4. So, magiging 2.79 meters sila. Bye-bye!
Oh, ngayon, anong ginagawa? Hindi, may tinuturo. Ano? Yung beam. Oh, base ng beam. Tapos, ano yung sinusukat mo dyan? Yung pa? Hindi. Yung distansya. Tapos ngayon, ano ipapakita mo? Yung observer. Ano yung titingnan mo dyan? Telescope ba yan? Cellphone yan eh. Oh, ano yan? Angle of elevation, 19 degrees. Aba, umikot-ikot pa. Ano ba kasi hinahanap na yan? Puro bibig kasi yung ginagamit. Yung beam ba? Oh, tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Substitute mo na yan. Oh, tan 19 is equal to x over 3. Solve natin yung x. X is equal to 3 times tan 19. Ano yung sagot? 1.0329 meters. Yung observer's eye level, 1.40 meters. O, i-add mo yun sa x. Yung sagot nun, 2.43 meters. O, madali lang, di ba?
Bye, Sir Pa!